everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1970 Pontiac True 242 GTO. Killer car, guys. Triple black. It's got Starlight black paint on it. It's got the black vinyl top, black vinyl interior, and a just super nice car, guys. Bought this car locally, literally just a few miles from the shop. A guy actually works next door. Great guy. He didn't restore it. He really didn't do anything to it other than he just had that new front nose painted by a gentleman I know very well. So there's no cracks or spider webbing in that front bumper. But killer car, original California car, nice little history on the car. Car was restored in the late 90s, you know, almost 2000, so it's an older restoration. Car was originally out of California, and then it went to Arizona. And then, like I say, this guy bought it in the early 90s. I think he was actually the fourth owner of the car. But great car, runs and drives excellent, guys. I'll tell you right now, I hope that every car that I ever buy drives like this thing. Great car. But you can see he just had this whole front nose repainted. So there's no cracks, or you can look it up and down it. I mean, this thing is nice. Because that's where these things are known, man. If you bump the front ends, unfortunately, they will crack. It's got a little front spoiler on the front. You know, there's a couple little touch-up marks on it, but really nice paint on the car, guys. I think the original color was gold, if I remember right, but that black looks good on it now, and it's straight enough to be black. Vinyl top's in great shape. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Just a good car, guys. We do have the PHS documentation for it. Again, it is a original 242 GTO California car. There's a Z in the VIN, and the PHS shows that as well. Touch-up mark there. Bumpers are nice. It's got one little mark here in your chrome on your bumper. This car is straight as can be. Look how nice that thing is down the sides. Love the wheels and tires. Those are 15-inch Rally 2s. They're chromed, and it's got 10-inch wide rears. So look at the meats on the back of those things. And I'll tell you, this guy did not want to sell this car. Unfortunately, he lives on the nastiest dirt road I have ever seen. And he just got tired of cleaning it. I think he said he owned it for 2 years. And he said, man, he goes, I take it out, and it just got so filthy on that road of his that he just couldn't handle it. That's a nice car, though. It's clean underneath. Teeny little touch-up marks. But like I say, look how slick that paint is. This car was painted 20 years ago, guys. Now, he was told it's a matching numbers engine. He never looked it up. I did. Should be a VIN number on the front of this block. There's not, okay? But if you look at the PHS, it called for a YS block. That's what's in it. Code 13 heads. It's got a 70 intake on it. And it's a 70 date coded block. I'd say this is a warranty block in this car. Edelbrock 4-barrel, again, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, code 13 heads, which are from a 70. Factory air cleaner, it's got the chrome valve covers, HEI distributor. It's power steering, power front disc brakes, 400 trans, and again, if you look at the PHS, it calls for a YS. A lot of people would call that matching numbers. Really, there should be a VIN on the front of that block. It's not there. So either it didn't get stamped from the factory or it's a replacement block. Look how slick that paint is. You see my bald head in it. Good car. Really good car, guys. And again, man, I'm telling you, this thing just rolls down the road, man. Nice and tight, not a squeak, not a rattle in it. Hood tack car. Factory remote chrome mirror. You can see a couple little marks in the interior. New door rubbers. Doors are nice and clean. Power windows. That is right there on the PHS as well. Door jambs are nice. Buckets, console. Got a little wear right there on your seat. Got all the wood grain. Looks like it's got all the factory correct seat belts in it. Headliner's good. A lot of this stuff in here looks original to me, guys. Car's only got 70,000 miles. 70,254. Factory dash. Again, hood tack out there. Factory AM/FM Delco radio with an 8-track. I know the blower motor all works. It's got an aftermarket Kenwood in the glove box. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a factory 10-bolt 355 safety track rear end with the box control arms and the rear sway bar. You can see it's still got the VIN on your quarter panels. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. All your receipts, your PHS documentation, there's some copies of the Arizona title, factory jack with spare. Just a good, clean, straight old car, guys. It's got the correct GTO chrome tips. Car's nice and solid underneath. Again, factory power windows, they work. Seats look good. Again, it's got the aftermarket radio in here with all the manuals for it. Dash is nice, wood grain's nice, gauges are nice and clear, steering wheel's nice. Again, few little things you can kind of nitpick on the car. A really nice car. Little cam to it. The cam card, excuse me, the cam card is in the back for it. Car's got great sound, and like I say, man, it drives awesome. Love the front on these cars. Hood tack's functional. Hopefully you've seen that. Gauges were all functional. That's just a quality car right there, guys. Yeah, it all works.
Gotta find this thing.
Yeah, and I think that all works too. I'm almost positive it all works. Blower motor works. I know that. Yeah, I think the factory radio works too. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. That is a clean, straight old goat right there. Boy, there is nothing prettier than an all black vehicle.